Welcome to a new process video. This is Daniela and I am working with the July kits. I used the papers and of course I also used the embellishments and the ink pads that we get in the color kit this month. Well, I also wanted to grab a sketch, so I decided to work with the February sketch, and you see that here we have some chevrons, but I decided to have some paper stripes instead. Okay, so let's see how I started my layout. First of all, I just worked with the ink pads and applied all three colors to the foil, and yeah, you see that I have three different blocks here. I didn't want them to mix up, but you could also mix up these colors easily. So the ink pads are perfect for stamping, for mixing colors, for watercoloring, for all kinds of backgrounds, and they are very easy to use, and the colors are very vibrant, and I really like those. Okay, so you see, I just apply the color here with a foil and my fingers, and this is a nice pattern, I guess. Although we won't see a lot of it later, but you see, this way you can create beautiful backgrounds, and I really recommend getting those because the colors fit the colors we get in the papers of the kit and all the embellishments perfectly. Okay, I also wanted to have some black dots here, so I added some water to black ink and just have some splashes. And now I also want to show you the papers I'm working with. So you see, I decided to work with the exact same colors. I have a blue paper, I have a pink paper, a yellow paper, and then a black striped paper. And we have these chipboard pieces in the kit, and those will be my main embellishments. Okay, so you see, these paper stripes are used instead of chevrons. So when you get a sketch, you don't have to to do everything that you can see there. You can adapt the sketch to your needs. And I want to have it this way because I already have another layout created with chevrons, and here I wanted to see what it looks like with paper stripes. And we have this beautiful film strip in the chipboard pack, and that is what I wanted to use, definitely. We also have those numbers. So numbers are in the sketch, and I add them here as well. And I love this little cheetah, and I also want to use this one here. Since my picture is just black and white, there are no colors apart from the shoes maybe. I wanted to have vibrant colors here on my page and black contrasts. And I think that this kits, the kits we get in July offer so many possibilities to add or to create nice contrasts. So take a look at these vellum stickers. I have chosen the clear flowers here, and I think they are a really nice addition to the vibrant colors. Okay, just quickly have to fix everything. You see, most of the time I just place everything to see what it would look like, and this gives me flexibility. I can change everything if I feel that often I get new ideas, and then I can just rearrange everything, and now that I see that it works, I can just fix everything. Okay, so here you see that all in all, everything is linked somehow. So we have one big cluster, no loose elements, and this is what layering is about. it's often a good idea to add some more stickers or a color. This adds a lot of texture, and yeah, here now I can start to add the details, because yeah, the main element is already finished. So I'm going for the black stickers, the alphabet stickers. They also come in the vellum sticker set. I love the vellum stickers we get this month, and yeah, it's just a short title instead of the long title that we have in the sketch, but I think that yeah, it's a nice way to do so here in my case. And now I want to see if I can add some of the paper tags. Just want to have a few more layers here. So yeah, just try different versions. I think this circle is too heavy, so something else should come up. Maybe this one, or maybe I can go for some more stickers. Yeah, so here we have more flowers. We also have the colored flowers. I love the purple and pink one. I'm definitely going to use this one on another page. For now, I'm just sticking with those colors, because, oh, with those clear flowers, because I think that a colored flower would be too heavy here for my contrasts and yeah, the scheme that I've chosen. All right, so this branch is another version, and I like this way better than the circle. So this is going to be what it looks like in the end. And now I can just add some of those puffy stickers. I like that we have those puffy stickers in each and every kit. They are a nice addition and a nice and easy way to add some more details. And yeah, here again we have circles, we have some phrases and some other elements, of course, some flowers and hearts and dots and whatever you want. Okay, so the picture I'm working with was taken in a balloon museum, and I just added a few information here, tiny, yeah, just when we went there and where it was, to remember it later. And now I just add the last details, another puffy sticker, and in the end I felt that I wanted to have some edges, so I cut some paper corners and placed them here on the left hand side, and on the bottom right hand side you can see it now. And this is what my layout looks like in the end. I thank you so much for watching again, and I hope you liked my way of using the sketch. Take care, have fun, see you soon, bye bye.